Hello my darlings, welcome back to a well overdue journal with me. I'm ever so sorry. Life just got busy again. I know I was like, yeah, I'm going to put these videos out weekly, and then I can't even remember what I've shared on here, but if you're on my newsletter or if you're on my Instagram, you'll know that Matt and I have bought a pet care business. We've bought a pet care franchise. And so life has just been a bit busy, if I'm really honest. I'm still going to be continuing doing this, but I had planned, I think I basically set the expectations too high for myself and was like, yeah, I'm going to put out weekly videos. But like last week I was away in Suffolk for a week of training. So there was no way I was going to film and edit a YouTube video and get it out. So yeah, that's where we're at. Work on the studio, this room, the craft room. I think I've decided it's going to be like a craft room / office. I do want to come up with a bit of a fancier name than that, but I'm really not sure what to call it. It's taking shape. It's kind of paused a little bit because, as I said, life's been just really busy. I will be doing a studio build update vlog soon because in comparison to the last one, quite a lot's changed. Like I've got my ladder with my plants on it. The desk is like halfway built, but there's also a lot of crap in here. Matt got me some wonderful bits for my birthday. He got me some wonderful pens and things. So I'm going to do a separate YouTube video on those pens. There's a lot of these TWSBI pens. Look how I need to fill up the ink in this, but look how beautiful they are. So I've got a few new ones of these and some inks, so I will do a video like covering that, but I almost want to wait until my desk is finished. It needs one more bit attaching to it, and it needs what's it called? Stain, like a wood stain, that's what it's called. So we're nearly there, we're getting there, right? But everyone knows life just can get a bit mad sometimes. But anyway, enough about me. We are here to do some journaling. If you are new around here, welcome. What we're going to do is we're going to journal 3 prompts together, and we will go for 3.5 minutes for each prompt. So quick fire, you get 3.5 minutes on each prompt. What the beauty of YouTube is that if you want longer, you can just simply hit pause. If you 3.5 minutes is enough, then carry on, or you can just pause me, or you can come back to this video and you can just skip to the prompts. There are lots of other videos like this. The aim of the game is to have them out weekly. You know, that's the aim. It doesn't always happen. But I did put out a little comment thingy, I don't know, it's like a status update, like a Facebook on YouTube, and asked for any ideas for topics, and one of them was boundaries. So the focus of these 3 prompts are specifically going to be on boundaries. So the first one is, what boundaries do I need to create and enforce right now? What boundaries do I need to create and enforce right now? And we'll go for 3.5 minutes. And the next one is, how will these boundaries benefit me? How will these boundaries benefit me? Alright, and the third and final question is, what may get in the way of me sticking to these boundaries? What may get in the way of me sticking to these boundaries? Okay, my loves, I hope that you found that beneficial, that you found it insightful, interesting, and that actually, you know, when it comes to boundaries, that it's given you an insight into maybe where you might need to make some changes, or you might need to get better with enforcing things, but just kind of, you know, addressing some of these areas and actually taking the time to think about them, write about them. We can have these like revelations in our journals. So I hope that it's been helpful. Do let me know in the comments if there's any other topics that you would like me to kind of base the prompts around. And I hope to see you again next week when there's going to be another video out. I'm not going to promise because, you know, don't want to make promises that I can't keep. But no, I really am kind of getting back on it with this. It's so good for me. I really enjoy filming. I really enjoy creating these videos for you. It's just time management, which is actually what I wrote in a roundabout way when it comes to boundaries and getting things done for me. So thank you for being here. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.